Hi friends, this video shows how to install game in this Google TV. First go to apps, select apps, then go down, then select search for apps and games, select it. So here we need to type the name of the game which we want to install. So I am going to install a car game. So let me type car here. Type car, then select search button. So now it's searching for games, car games. This is a search result. Okay, so in this result you can see many car games. So I am going to install a small game. This Asphalt 8 is a big game. It will take time. So let me install this game. Beach buggy racing, select it, then select install. So now it's installing, now it's downloading that game, so please wait. So now it's installing this game. Okay, installation completed. Let me open this game. So this way we can install any game. Just search for the game and select it and install. Okay. Okay, so let me go back to home screen. Then under apps, select your apps. Here we can see the icon of that newly installed game. Go to see all. See, this is the icon of that game. From here we can open that game. We have one more option. We can go to for you, then go down and select your apps, then go to see all, then select the app game. This is the icon of the game. So all newly installed app, all app icons will be able to find here under your apps section. Okay, so this way we can install any game.